Okay, we are on the new Jumpaline. Hey guys, show us how it works, buddy.
Go.
Show us how we do this. It's not quite blown up all the way, but we're working on it. Okay, Gus, show us how you jump on the Jumpaline. Milo likes standing on it for sure. Oh yeah, jump, 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 jump. Oh yeah, woo! We got foreground and background in entertainment here. Oh yeah, jump, jump, jump. Hey Gus, what do you say to Nick and Ty and Auntie Melissa and Brian? Because you really love it? You love your Jumpaline? Whoa. Okay, and